Okay, so today Laura is coming all the way from Florida. She was debating on driving and she just couldn't decide, but then she decided to fly because it would take about 2 days to get here.
I just touched down. I think I had about a 7-hour flight, a giant coffee. I'm on my way to see Chrissy.
Hi, I'm Laura Beverlin. I've been coming to Chrissy for the last 2 years. So this is my natural hair here. Chrissy's gonna be adding 2 rows of extensions. We're gonna keep it short, but go blonder and brighter. It's been about 6 months since I've been in here, so my roots are growing out and everything, so I am ready to freshen it up.
Again, I haven't seen her also for 6 months, so she has half of her hair is brown and half of it's blonde. So we're gonna bring up that blonde and make her really icy. She loves to be really icy and a frosty blonde.
So this is the look that I'm going for today. So blonder, brighter, and a little bit shorter.
We used about 2 rows of extensions for her as well to make it have texture and also just to make her curls hold. I feel like it just makes everything just seem more beachy, and it just works out so much better when you're doing your hair, even if it's short, to have extensions. So we're gonna root her extensions with 7N Redken shades, little 7GB. Then we are going to start baby lighting. Now, because her hair is so grown out, I literally have to weave every hair in her head. Like if I keep out any hair or I don't weave so close together, like you're not gonna get rid of that root line that has been growing out for 6 months. Then we are going to baby light the top, giving her some money pieces, brighten her up, make it super summery, and then we're gonna let it process. So once we let it process, we keep checking her, making sure it's good. Then we're going to start the toning. Now, toning is very important because we wanna make sure that all the tones blend, everything's blended, soft, grows out good, not a root. So we're gonna use her natural base, which is a 7. We're gonna base her with that, and then we're gonna let it sit, watch it. And then we are going to do a mid on her, and we want it to be ashy, and her hair lifts a little bit more on the yellow side. So we wanna get rid of that yellow tone with a P or a V. So we're gonna use 9 and 9V on her mid, and then we're gonna use 10VS. Once you're done toning, then we're gonna rinse it and wash it again. We are going to blow dry her up. Once we're blow dried, then we're gonna wave her up. And we're gonna show you a little different technique with waving, because we're gonna hold the iron in different directions, some horizontally, some vertically, and it helps so much to give that short hair that extra volume, and it helps to add that extra pizzazz. So after that, we'll use our favorite styling spray, which is Milbon, and then we will continue to take the after pictures. All right, guys, this is the final result of Laura. And as you can see, she's a little shorter and a little blonder. How do you feel?
Amazing, like a new human being.
Just like transformed, and you're ready to conquer the world, right?
Literally.
Good. Okay, so basically you saw the techniques that I did, and we showed you kind of a little bit how we did extensions and all that. But don't forget, you can also go to our education website, and that website is www.haircation.com, @haircation, and there's so many videos, so much information if you ever want to know any of that. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up.